Hi, it's me, I'm back. Kind of tired yet. Just same old. Nothing much. Still feeling that bread down. Today's New Year's. My sister's brother, Wilson's coming over. 2 puppies in my house. Oh, great. Well, I'm kind of asleep, so it's weird that I'm talking to you. I just, well, let's see what else I can tell you. I tried to eat a cupcake today, but I got hit on the nose. Well, not hit, I got tapped on the nose, because I'm not supposed to eat cupcakes. And, yeah, I was dancing to some music today, my favorite song, Firework, and the Perry and Platypus song. I love that little guy, he's my role model, he's my idol. I want to be a fucking Agent Platypus guy when I grow up. I'm very tired, and somebody spilled some peanut butter inside this blanket, and it just smells so flippin' good.
Tillie, it's time for dinner.
Mom, I'm talking to my friends.
Well, I don't care. Come for dinner.
Fine, well, see you guys. I gotta go, my mom's calling.
Good, it's about time. Did you get a job yet?
No, Mom. Bye. Thanks for watching.